Hey there! Today, I'll show you how to create a text reveal effect in Canva. Let's get started. Open Canva and click on the video option. Choose the size you need and open a new page. Now head to the Uploads tab and upload the video you want to use. For this tutorial, I've already uploaded a video as an example. Click on the video to add it to the page. Then duplicate it. Align both videos by selecting them together and choosing position, then middle and center. Next, adjust the size of the videos as needed. Move on to the Text tab. Enter the text you want and customize its style. Place the text to the right of the person in the video. Now let's add animation. Click on Custom and create an animation. While holding the Shift key, move the text to the left. Choose the steady style and adjust the speed to match the walking speed of the person in the video. In the position settings, click on Layer and move the text to the middle layer between the two videos. Click on the top video and drag the left edge line to the position of the person. And there you have it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Thanks for watching.